Hi there and welcome to the Fit Life Show channel. Today, we're talking about how to incorporate fruits and vegetables into your daily diet. Whether you're looking to improve your overall health, maintain a healthy weight, or simply enjoy more delicious and nutritious foods, increasing your intake of plant-based foods can make a big difference. In this video, we'll be sharing some practical tips and strategies for adding more fruits and veggies to your meals and snacks. Let's see everything you need to know after the intro. Are you looking to incorporate more fruits and vegetables into your diet, but not sure where to start? Many people struggle with incorporating these healthy foods into their daily meals. But don't worry, it's easier than you think. We will show you some easy ways to add more fruits and vegetables to your diet. One of the easiest ways to add more fruits and vegetables to your diet is to make them a part of your meals. Try incorporating them into your breakfast, lunch, and dinner. For breakfast, try adding some berries or sliced banana to your cereal or oatmeal. For lunch, add some veggies to your sandwich or wrap. And for dinner, make sure to include a serving of vegetables with your protein. Another easy way to add more fruits and vegetables to your diet is to make salads a regular part of your meals. Salads are a great way to get a variety of vitamins and minerals, and they're easy to make. Start with a base of greens, like lettuce or spinach, and add your favorite fruits and vegetables. Try adding some cucumber, tomatoes, bell peppers, and even some fruit like berries or pineapple. And don't forget to add some nuts or seeds for a little extra crunch. Smoothies are a great way to add more fruits and vegetables to your diet. They're easy to make and you can pack a lot of nutrients into one glass. Try adding some leafy greens like spinach or kale to your smoothie for an extra boost of vitamins and minerals. And don't forget to add some fruit for sweetness. Berries, banana, and pineapple are all great options. One of the best ways to incorporate more fruits and vegetables into your diet is by making them your go-to snack. Instead of reaching for chips or candy, try snacking on some fresh fruits and vegetables. Carrots, celery, cucumbers, and bell peppers are all great options. And don't forget about fruit. Apples, berries, and grapes are all great choices. Finally, try experimenting with different ways to cook fruits and vegetables. Roasting, grilling, and sautéing are all great options. And don't be afraid to try new things. Try cooking with different spices and herbs to add some extra flavor. And don't forget about using fruits and vegetables in your cooking. Try adding some zucchini or squash to your pasta, or some berries to your pancakes. Remember, incorporating more fruits and vegetables into your diet doesn't have to be difficult. With a little creativity and experimentation, you can make them a regular part of your meals. So go ahead and give it a try. Your body will thank you. Thanks for watching, and we hope you have found this video informative and helpful. And be sure to subscribe to our channel for more health and fitness lifestyle tips.